All right, I'm going to get started. Again, this will not take very long, but there's a few things on here that I did want to mention to you. You know that today is lab. Yesterday afternoon, I spent most of the afternoon grading. So if you go out to InsideRankin.org for you and you look at your grade book, it should be up to date. If by some chance I miss something, then just send me a new GitHub invite and I'll try to grade it this afternoon. All right. I've already told you that on Monday, I'm going to lecture on how to upload an Android app to the Google Play Store. I'm going to grab my copy of the to-do list app and upload that, or at least attempt to. So to get ready for that, this morning I went out and just used regular Camtasia and created 2 videos. First, I went out to developer.android.com and they've got a launch checklist, and that's 22 things that you're supposed to do before you go and upload your app to the Google Play Store. Now, some of them didn't make a lot of sense just because they talked about if you're going to try to do it for money type of thing. So those I didn't spend any time on. All right, but it was just kind of an overview. Then after that, I went and found this upload your app. And the upload your app part, this one is actually from the Google Play Store itself. And the publish your app, that is from developer.android.com. This first one is a little under 20 minutes, and the second one is a little over 15 minutes. What I'm going to attempt to do as soon as we're done here right now is I'm going to attempt to go over and grab that Recycler View app that we went over as a class, and I'm going to attempt to go through all of the steps to basically send those things to the Google, or to upload that to the Google Play Store. And I'm going to do that using regular Camtasia. And I'm going to take my time. I'm doing kind of as a preview for what I do on Monday. So on Monday, again, I'll attempt to upload the to-do list app and doing it the same way. All right. Remember that the Unit 9 to-do list app, the one we just talked about, is due by the end of the period today. And the only other thing I really wanted to say to you, where is it? I put this in your email today as an attachment, and this is the first one that I did. This is that launch checklist. So that's the first that's the first video I did today. I combined these two into one video, and there's some duplication there as well. One thing they ask you to do when you're uploading a video is they ask you to put down your privacy policy. I wasn't even aware of the fact that Rankin has one, so there that is if you do need it. All they ask for is just a URL with a privacy policy on it. You don't have to actually write anything else out. All right. Finally, this right here is what I'm going to use. The thing that's in blue right now is what I'm going to use as I'm going through and trying to upload the app today in the video I'll make today to the Google Play Store rather. It's from a guy from India, but he speaks probably better English than I do. His name is Hidish or something like that. He's got 459,000 followers. And I remember the last time I did that, he had an earlier version of this, I think, and that's what I used. It's about 20 steps or so. Some of them are kind of combined, and some of them, I've got it written out, and I'm not giving it to you today because I want to make sure there are no mistakes in it. But what I will do on Monday is hopefully then I'll have all the mistakes out of it, if there are any, and I will send you that as well. Now on Monday, and I'm looking, I mean, there's 5 of you today, and out of the 5 of you today, 2 of you, I'm not going to mention names, you know who you are. I offered yesterday 25 extra credit points if you will just fill out a mini survey that came with yesterday. And all it says is you just put an X by either I do plan to upload my app to the Google Play Store, and there's another one, I do not plan to upload my app to the Google Play Store. All you have to do is just cut out that portion, X one or X the other. Please don't X both because that doesn't make sense. So X one or X the other and email it back to me. And it's an extra credit assignment. So I'm giving you 25 points for it. All right. I asked for it to be done by the beginning of class today, but I'll take it through today. That's not a problem. But if the two of you who are watching this right now would do that, that would give me 7 out of 10. All right. And, you know, ideally the other people are going to see this and they'll send it in as well. All right. If there are not any questions on anything, feel free to drop off right now. That is all that I have. And I will see you Monday. Have a good weekend.